Chess enthusiasts, have you ever thought of chess as a mathematical puzzle? Well, today I'm diving into how graph theory can help us find the shortest path to checkmate. It's like navigating a road network, but on a chessboard. Intriguing, right? Alright, let's break this down. In graph theory, each chess position is a node, and each legal move from one position to another is an edge. The goal is to find the shortest sequence of edges, moves from your current position to checkmate. Think of it as finding the quickest route from point A to B on a map. To make it clearer, let's start with fool's mate, the fastest possible checkmate. White plays f3 or f4, weakening the king's diagonal. Then black plays g5, followed by qh4 hash, and boom, checkmate in just 2 moves. This is represented as a graph with 2 edges, start position, after white's f3/f4 and after f3/f4, checkmate after qh4 hash. The shortest path to checkmate, next up, scholar's mate, a slightly longer but still quick checkmate in 4 moves. White plays e4, black mirrors with e5. White then positions the queen on h5, threatening f7. Despite black's nc6 defense, white delivers checkmate with qxf7 hash. Here, the graph has 4 edges, start position, after e4 after e4, after e5 after e5, after qh5 after qh5, checkmate after qsf7 hash. Another example of the shortest path to checkmate. Now, these examples are simple, but in a real game, finding the shortest path is much more complex. At each move, there are roughly 35 legal options, creating a massive game tree. And checkmate might require many moves, especially against a skilled opponent. Chess engines use evaluation functions and algorithms like breadth-first search to estimate the best path without exploring every possibility. For instance, a mid-game position might have a forced checkmate in 10, 15 moves, but calculating it involves analyzing millions of positions. So the shortest path to checkmate is a beautiful application of graph theory in chess. By modeling the game as a graph, we can use algorithms to find the minimum number of moves required. While simple checkmates like fool's mate and scholar's mate are easy to compute, the general problem remains one of the most challenging in computational chess. Chess and math together open up infinite possibilities. What's your shortest path to victory? Thanks for watching and happy checkmating.